Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a poll in Discord server. First of all, open the Discord app on your PC. From the left sidebar, select any server. Then you have to add your first app. From the drop down button at the top left, go to the menu. Here select App Directory. In the search bar, search Poll. Now select a poll from the search results. Then click on Add to Server. Tap on Continue, then Authorize. After this, prove your human identity. Once you are done with this, tap on Go to Your Server button. Go to the message bar. Entering a / here will open up a list. Select Straw Poll from here. Then provide a statement for the question you have to ask in the poll. Then provide its options. Hit the Enter button. As you can see, Straw Poll has been created. There are percentages shown as well for the number of voters for each option. Click on Choose an option to vote for. From the options, select one. As you can see, your vote has been recorded. Also, the percentage of records is updated automatically. This is how you can create a poll in a Discord server. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.